Did you know the largest volcano in the solar system isn't on Earth? It's on Mars and it's massive. It's called Olympus Mons, standing at a mind-blowing 72,000 feet tall. That's nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. The base of Olympus Mons is equally impressive. It's as wide as the entire state of Arizona, a true giant of the red planet. This shield volcano formed over millions of years from repeated lava flows, making it a dormant but still awe-inspiring structure. Imagine climbing this Martian giant one day.